up, guys? It is Crystal and I'm back with another video. Excuse the bag. I'm filming like 3 videos at one time right now, so I'm just deep conditioning, but in the meantime and in between time, I'm going to show you guys how I tint my eyebrows at home. I use the Godefroy tint kit for spot coloring. I order mine off of Amazon, and I did get it in dark brown, and it comes with 20 pre-measured color capsules, the cream developer, a reusable applicator brush, a mixing cup, and an instruction sheet. So this is my developer. So we have the developer, my mixing bowl, and my applicator brush. So yeah, so you have the capsules, your little mixing bowl, your brush, and like I said, my developer. So what you're going to do is, I normally only need 1 capsule, so I just take a capsule and I don't know where my instructions are. I've used this before, but I think you just take your capsule, and I'm just going to take my mixing bowl. I'm going to open my capsule. I'm going to do this over the bowl. I probably should have changed my camera angle, but I'm just going to open this. Okay, so I've got my powder in my, yeah, that's great, Crystal, which I don't need all of this, so I just have that. I'm just going to put a little bit of the developer in there, and it's in squeeze form, and be careful because when you're squeezing this in there, it will kind of blow the powder. So I just put a little bit of developer in there until you get like a paste. So all you're doing is mixing the developer with the powder. And so I'm just mixing. And there is like, I mean, I did like 1 squeeze, maybe a squeeze and a half. More so like 1 squeeze is plenty of developer. You're just trying to get it to a paste. Sometimes I use this brush. It's not the most perfectly angled brush. I also brought a brush, like my actual eyebrow brush. And I know some people will like outline their eyebrows beforehand too. I don't do that either. Like, I feel like just do what works for you. I'm pretty good with kind of staying on just my brows. Alright guys, so I've done my right eyebrow. I'm gonna go do my left eyebrow. I try to put mine on pretty thick, and I don't like real big, wild, crazy brows. That's just not me. I just like for you to be able to kind of see that there's something there. I'm going to try to do this to where y'all can see, but that I'm not making a complete mess. And I usually just kind of draw with the brush. And I try to do mine relatively thick. I have very, very, very sparse brows, so I don't have much there in the first place. So I try to put it on thick. Now this doesn't last as long as sorry y'all couldn't even see that, but hold on, let me switch my mirror to the other side. I try to put it on relatively thick, and then I kind of try to make sure that they match each other. So I think I've been drawing my eyebrows on for so long that I kind of just know how to do it. I meant to bring me a Q-tip in here to kind of keep my line together here. And I did choose to do my more difficult brow on camera, and I'm just dipping in for more of the tinted paste. Let me try to get my arch over here together. And you want to try to be as quick as possible with this because you don't want it to tint where you don't want it to tint. Okay. And they're probably not going to be perfect, because as you know, sometimes when you fill in your eyebrows, they're not twins, but they're sisters. So I try to get them as close to similar as possible, but my right brow is my good brow, my left brow is my not so good. So, but I just like to kind of put this on really thick, as thick as I can get it. Because a lot of this will be tinting my actual skin, and so that's why I go for dark brown also, because I feel like I have a greater chance of it tinting and you being able to see it. So I've got both of my eyebrows are done. I think I'm gonna let this sit for about probably 15 minutes and let it tint, and then I'll come back and wipe it off and show you guys what they look like. So stay tuned. Alright, it's been like 15 minutes since I put this on there. I just have a bottle of water and a cotton ball, and I'm just gonna wipe this off with water. They look real lopsided to me. I'm just gonna take my glasses off. But I've never done this in front of the camera. I'm always in front of the mirror, so that could be why, but Nobody's gonna see it. We're in the house. So I'm just gonna take my cotton ball with water. Now this is not perfect. This is nothing like getting your eyebrows microbladed or anything. It's simply just like a tint. So it really only adheres to where your hair is in comparison to like your skin. So I always have like a little gap where there is no hair, but for the most part, like, it does pretty good. So that's that eyebrow. And then I'm just gonna go and wipe this eyebrow. And there is that eyebrow. So I do like it. Like I say, it helps with me not having to fill in my eyebrows so much. Now this will, like, as I wash my face over the days, it will fade and they won't be there anymore. But I mean, it's just like a temporary, you know, I'm just trying to have brows real quick type of look. But I mean, it works for, you know, just a quick, to where they're not ball. So, but that's it, just how I kind of tint my eyebrows at home for really cheap. I'll tag where I get mine from. I'll put the actual item link in the description bar. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit your notification bell so that you never miss when I post a video. And until next time, be blessed. Bye guys.